Hey everybody, it's me, Zonya. Thanks so much. I've heard so many great comments. People are loving the Eat Real checklist that's on adhered to their refrigerator and using it to help the family, everybody eat more of these superfoods every day. And I get two comments. One, it's working great, I'm getting them in easy. And I have other people going, are you kidding me? Show me what that looks like. Well, guess what? I'm going to show you what this looks like and how to get it all in even before dinner time. So here's how it goes. First of all, for your breakfast in the morning, back off on the cereal in the bowl and leave room for lots of berries. Use frozen berries if you need to. I'll tell you, stock up. Add flaxseed to this. Always add flaxseed to your yogurt, to your cereal. Don't ever have it without. I buy this much flaxseed at a time. I used to buy it unground and then grind it fresh every week, and I got tired of doing that. So I keep this in the freezer, I keep this much in the refrigerator, and it's a tablespoon of flax because we go through it so much, and ground flax is so amazing for you. So there you go, you've got your berries and nuts and flaxseed, so you've got a triple checklist right off at breakfast, right off the get-go. Mid-morning, it's great to snack on an apple. You can carry these with you on the go, so there's another check mark. And then lunch. I have a classic large salad, your 2 cups of greens, and beans on that because we want our cholesterol sponges, whether they're black beans, garbanzo beans, cannelli beans, whatever variety. And I've actually got our Christopher's vegetable in here. That's our cabbage family, whether you add broccoli or cauliflower. I love to add red cabbage. I have a head of it in my refrigerator all the time. Chunk it off, put it in there, and it's a beautiful salad. Now, next up, you know that every day we need to have some mushrooms. Maybe not every day, but as many times a week as you can. You want to try to have mushrooms. Why? Because they have these specialized lectins that really help fight cancer. In fact, reducing breast cancer risk by as much as 62% in some studies. These specialized lectins slow the cancer cells from dividing and growing. So this is really cool stuff. So mushrooms, and they don't have to be fancy mushrooms, just good old white mushrooms work, but we really want them to be cooked. If you're going to be eating them this often, they're better digested, more available nutritionally. And I also found them in a jar like this that are already cooked and ready to go. I just add them to salads. How convenient is that? And then in the mid-afternoon, a couple cuties, maybe 3, these are small, and it's before dinner time. And you'll see that we have all of our checklist, and our body is just screaming with health and fighting heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. You've got what you need. So I'll tell you, it all pairs great with the shop list that goes on your magnets on your refrigerator, and you can easily plan out all your things you need to get in and out of the store in no time. These are sold together, so check them out, and they all go perfectly with our cookbook, the Eat Real cookbook, and the Lickety Split Meals Revised cookbook. So check it all out at Zonya.com and EatRealAmerica.com.